everybody in India, middle class child goes into any graduation program. The end objective is that after the graduation, he or she should find a job, some employment they should provide. Here, when you increase 1 year, so many people are dependent at home for that child to come out of the college and join the workforce, and so that some stable income should come to the family. Now, when you increase that 1 year, it becomes difficult for the family, first and foremost, and to bear the expenses for one more extra year for the child to ensure that he or she studies. That is additional cost. And it is not about 3 and 4. It is why. First and foremost, the question was, why do you want to bring that child? The only logic was to bring the similarity between foreign model of graduate program and a post-graduation program to Indian model. Otherwise, there is no logic behind it. See, all that which they have tried going it, 10 plus 2 was a model. That they tried bringing it 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Why? What is that so different you are doing? If you look at NCF, if you look at the whole national curriculum framework, the way it is designed, few things, yes, very nice. We need more of analytical thinking, we need new style of learning for the children. But under the guise of Indian knowledge system, in the guise of Sanskriti, in the guise of, there are a lot of things which have been brought into this, which is trying to actually train the child's mind from the very early age towards one way of thinking. It is, they call it nationalism, but it is not. Having one language is not a nationalism. Having one culture is not nationalism. Having one system for everything, that is not what India is all about. It is a country with full of diversity. It is a country which celebrates different languages, different cultures. So, in India, we have to embrace all the differences rather than bringing it that so-called oneness.